This video will watch the best ratings for ugly knitted ugly Christmas sweater from over 459 customer reviews. Ugly Christmas Party Classic Knitted Ugly Christmas Sweater for Men and Women. Stand out. Get noticed at your Xmas pub crawl or office party with these tacky Christmas sweaters. Perfect for men, women, or couples. Be a force to reckon with at your ugly Christmas sweater contest. Premium knitted sweaters. Not just hilarious, your new knit long-sleeve pullover sweater will keep you comfy throughout your holiday get-together. Big and tall. We believe that Christmas sweaters are for everyone, so we don't categorize our sweaters into separate men's and women's sections. Sizes are available from small to 4XL. For those wanting a slimmer fit. Light-up sweater. Built-in LEDs will brighten up your holiday parties. Includes a switch to turn lights off and on, a pocket for the battery pack, and an inner lining to keep all wires in place. Materials. Our premium knitted ugly Christmas sweaters are made with a 60% cotton, 40% acrylic blend. A tighter knit gauge allows our detailed designs to stand out while giving you a super soft sweater you can easily wear alone or layered. LED light-up sweater features. Bright and colorful LED lights. The LED lights on your new Christmas sweater will light up your party as they change color on a pre-programmed loop. Easily turn on and off. No more annoying lights that stay on and drain their batteries. Control your own illumination by turning the lights on and off with a switch. Detachable battery. Remove the detachable battery at the white clip, shown here, to wash your sweater safely. Machine wash and lay flat to dry. You can also easily replace the batteries when necessary. Hidden battery pocket. No annoying dangling wires on your sweater. Once you've turned your lights on, tuck the battery pack in the built-in pocket of your sweater's inner lining to stay safe throughout your event. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching my video.